Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video is a short one, is a quick dinner option that I decided to have tonight for myself and my daughter. I've got some chicken thighs here. I don't have a chicken breast, but I cut it in pieces, as you guys can see here, and it's seasoned with garlic and ginger and some other spices. So it's very easy. The ingredients are very straightforward. The ingredients are all pre-chopped, which is great. And yeah, guys, so it's chicken chow mein tonight, and you could use beef also. Very straightforward. The noodles as well are pre-cooked, if I'm not mistaken, and all you have to do is just add everything and just sort of check time to time. I did kind of sort of fried my chicken slightly with olive oil, and you can add other spices as you please. But here's the sauce that the chow mein that you add into the pot or the frying pan or the wok or whatever you use. And yeah, guys, from there it's just pretty easy. You add your noodles, and you know it's quite sort of a sticky, and if you don't like very greasy like myself, it'll be quite sticky really. Normally the oils, if you add more oils like in the Chinese takeaways, they tend to be more separated, but I don't like too much grease, so I use, like I said, olive oil when I was frying the chicken previously. And yes, guys, so this is pretty much what you do. Here I'm grabbing the noodles and adding into my frying pan. I've got this large, medium to large frying pan here. Yeah, guys, it was so tasty. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. The channel is all about fashion, lifestyle, and beauty. And today we are cooking. So, guys, you see here, it's looking delicious. All the vegetables are cooked and very nice. Like I said, you can always add more seasoning to your liking.